Hi there, students. Abstract. Okay, abstract is an adjective and can also be a noun. Notice the pronunciation, abstract. But if we use it as a verb, to abstract, so abstract, the stress is on the second syllable in the verb, whereas the adjective and noun, it's on the first syllable. Okay, if something is abstract, it's not something that you can touch. It's based on ideas, on concepts. In English, you have abstract nouns, which are things like love or generosity, yeah, as opposed to tangible nouns, things you can touch. So a dog is something tangible. You can see it, you can touch it. But bravery, this is an abstract concept. So very often we talk about abstract concepts. Yeah, it's something based on ideas rather than something absolutely concrete. Okay, abstract. You can use abstract in art. You have abstract art. This uses shapes and different forms to make a picture, or different patterns. It doesn't show directly people or things. Yeah, so I think maybe superrealism is the opposite of abstract art. It's symbolic, it's figurative, it's impressionistic. Yeah, it doesn't show the thing directly. It shows something representing it, for example. And then an abstract as a noun. Okay, this is a piece of writing. Yeah, you could take an abstract from a speech or an article. It's a short piece of writing that gives the main ideas, the main points, the main thrust of something. So I read the abstract of the article to find out what it was about. Yeah, it tells you what the thing is generally about. And then finally, to abstract is a formal verb, meaning to take something from a place. Yeah, so they were given a license to abstract water from the river. Yeah, the words for this document have been abstracted from the Oxford English Dictionary. They've been taken from. But notice this is quite a formal use of to take out of. So abstract as an adjective, something that exists as a thought, an idea, but it doesn't have a physical existence. It's theoretical. Yeah, it's metaphysical. It's conceptual. Yeah. Okay, it deals with ideas rather than events or physical things. Abstract art, yeah, it's not pictorial, it's symbolic. Yeah. Okay, if a person is abstracted, their mind is somewhere else. It's been taken somewhere else. I'm sorry, I wasn't listening. My mind was abstracted. It was taken to another dimension. Okay, so an abstract idea as an idea or a quality, but not a physical object. If an argument or a discussion is becoming too abstract, it's starting to talk about general ideas, but not with specific facts and not with concrete examples. Okay, so abstract, general ideas. Yeah, it can be difficult to deal with abstract articles, with abstract ideas. And then an abstract from a book, a little section that tells you what it is about. If you turn over a book, on the back cover there's probably an abstract giving you some sort of idea of what's actually going on in the book. I think you also might use abstract to talk about something that's abstruse or difficult to understand. Yeah, such abstract philosophical ideas are just impossible for me to follow. Yeah, and then an abstract noun, abstract words, truth, justice, beauty. Okay, so they're not tangible, they're not real. And then to abstract, change in pronunciation, to take away or to remove. Yeah, so they had abstracted the most important documents from the file, and what was left meant nothing. Yeah, I guess you could use it as a very formal verb for to steal. They abstracted the statues from the shop. Okay, so abstract. Formality, abstract. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5, 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, from abstractus, from the verb abstraho. Ab, to away, and traho, to pull. So to pull away. So the idea is it's pulling away from reality. Okay, so abstract, something that's conceptual, something that's abstruse and difficult to understand. Yeah? Or abstract art that doesn't show real things, it shows patterns and drawings. Okay, lines and curves and colours and shapes. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Abstract.